Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back with the additional with extra Sudokus and or puzzles in today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 22nd, 2021. Yes, today in Holland, the map for traveling, the red zone. Holland is become a red zone, so there are a lot of infected people here, so traveling will be difficult here to come. But we have three puzzles left: tectonic, one binary I will do, and the four star Sudoku. Yeah. Red zone. So it seems that the corona is winning. Yeah. All right. Sudoku with 4 stars. Number 3135. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Plus 3 is 22. Plus 2 is 24. Printed digit 24. Yes, correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so let's get started. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column is 3. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 should be there. All right, then I cannot continue with the 8. How about hmm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in the last column. So no 1 and a 6 in these three boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes. So what are the other three numbers? Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 9. 249, 249, 249. Remember this 249? That means the other two numbers in this big square, 249, are the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. 7 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7, yeah. Then we have a pair. 2 and a 1 in this row, the last row. 2 and a 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 2 and the 1 are those two boxes for the 2 and 1. We see here 1, the 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. What are those 3 missing numbers? The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. I cannot fill this yet. 2, 3, 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. Okay. What are those 3 missing numbers then in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, And the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this row. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes. One box left in this big square for number 6. Okay, two numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay. Then. Yeah. 4. 4. 4. Okay. Think. 5. 5 should be here. 5. Yeah. 6. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square. The two remaining boxes are those two boxes for the 6. Yeah. Here can it be 6? There can it be 6. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8. Should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 7 in these two boxes. There are 7 in the first row. So no 7 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 4. Missing the 3, 4, 3, 4, and the 5. 5. Interesting. 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Yeah. And now I cannot continue with the 8. 4. Okay, any pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column. So no 2 and a 4 in those 3 boxes. The 2 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes in this big square. So the 2 and the 4 goes here as a pair. Alright, so what are those 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Well, we see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, so we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 7 in that box. Here 7, no 7 in that box. So one box left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 9 is missing in this column. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. All right. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in one of those two boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. All right. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in the third column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 and a 3. 8 and a 3. 8 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and an 8 goes there. All right. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. All right. All right. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. All right. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 9 are left. 6 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. All right. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 6. All right. 1 number left in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9 are missing. 7 and the 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box is going to be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box is going to be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow! 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. All right. So, although it has 24 printed digits, you cannot say it's more difficult than the previous Sudoku with 25 printed digits. Yeah, I have a lot of troubles with the previous Sudoku. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue later in a minute with the other two puzzles, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you then. Bye bye for now.